The local teams across the Midwest, plus schools, food pantries, shelters, so much more. Learn more at Meijer.com. Pitch on the outside corner. That's a strike. Third inning. It's only at 33 pitches as he rocks and delivers. Strike on a curveball with two down. Base is empty. Lockhart ready. He'll fire, and that's right there. Strike three called on the outside corner. Second strikeout on our Forest View K counter. And a 1-2-3 inning turned in by Lyle Lockhart. 5-0. Toledo with the lead. They'll come to the plate in the bottom of the third. Plus, we have that tease from Tom Reynolds. Coming up next, this is Toledo Mud Hens Baseball. Night. Right here to fifth third field. 3-2 pitch. Chopper hit on the left side. Chang grabs that. Throw over just in time, and Lee can't believe it. He thought he beat that one out. I don't know, Tom. This is pretty close play.
Yeah, it's.
Let's see if we can pick it up.
I think the ball just beat him.
Yep. Yeah, looks like it on that replay here. Might give us a better look. Ooh.
it was close.
Now Akil Baddoo will stand in. They're going to let
Absolutely. No, he did the right thing.
I love the way you were thinking, though. You know what? If you let that go through, it's an in this one. Pitch is going to be low and outside. Billy Cook waiting on deck. Now, when there's not enough time to list out, get more with AAA. Pitch low and outside. Runs at 2-1 coming up. Lockhart, check of the runner, and throws outside. A pitch on the way, swing and a miss. Chang went after that plate, and he missed it.
He was trying to do a little bit with that swing.
And the 3-2, chopper foul. Up
there's on there.
Yep, few more. 3-2 pitch, swung on and missed. Chang goes down on strikes. And that is strikeout number 5 of the ball game for Lockhart.
Great job by Lockhart there.
We're going to get some action down in the Mud Hens bullpen. Ricky Vanasco is going to get up and start to loosen. For the Mud Hens, shot over to third, glove there by Chang. They'll go to second, and Peguero thought they had doubled up Madris after the line out by Perez. Umpires didn't agree. They said Bly got back just in time. There's 2 down. Oh, wow, is that close? Well, Kowski gets a line out, and now there's 2 down for Jace Young. Next week, Tuesday through Sunday, the Louisville Bats will be in town. Slow roller hit that's cut off by the third baseman, Chang, and he'll fire over in time. And it's time now for our show from Vanasco. And he starts Chang with a curveball right our lineup for Essential Industrial Construction Projects. Let's go. Delivers just off the plate. Next offering is slammed to the screen. Went 6th, then Owens and Gunther combined for 2 innings with 2 strikeouts. Now Vanasco trying to finish it off. He gets the swing and a miss from Chang. And it'll be dropped and then thrown down to first to complete the strikeout. Back-to-back.